doing boxing. You don't just do it, you don't just throw hands or punches, otherwise you'll be beaten to the ground. Beaten almost to death because it's an aggressive defense. What you're going to do is you have to be elusive. You have to change level, change your head, change the angle. You have to be a moving target, not a standing target. Because you're a standing target, you take a lot of punishment that could eventually knock you out. So you're fighting, you have to be.